Okay guys, hope you're well. We're going to go to the Answers Hub, so let me fire it up, play the intro, and I'll tell you. And a warm welcome to one and all. We're going to be looking at the Answers Hub today, so let me just flick this over. This is £JPY. We're currently doing this as our group asset. Now the group asset is also part of what we do within the Scruffy Squad. And what that is here, just while I'm showing you, it's an asset where we all trade and we all talk about it. And it means we're all on the same page. But today we're looking at the Answers Hub, and this is for Ant, so a little salute to you. And it's a decent question. How long after the open, DAX, FTSE, etc. should you wait? Should you let the volatility die down? It's not as difficult a question as you think. Let me explain why. There are certain times of the day where the market is going to spike, and it's going to spike violently. The main one is 8 o'clock. Now I'm talking about UK times here for those overseas. So at 8 AM, all merry hell breaks loose. And you definitely want to let that run for around 30 minutes. And it doesn't matter what the asset is. If you're looking at the euro, gold, whatever, all merry hell will break loose at 8 o'clock. And if you've got it wrong, it'll catch you out. So let it die down for about 30 minutes. And then you'll be able to see the tone and then work from there. Personally, I'll let it run for about an hour. But I prefer to trade top of the hour. So at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I'm checking the markets. Now, there's some other times to be aware of as well. 7 AM is the European Open, and there's normally a spike. And that spike lasts around 15 minutes. And it's sort of as the DAX opens, poof, it's away very quick. So let it run for about 15 minutes, and then again, you can see the tone, and away you go. Then later on in the afternoon, there'll be an open at 2:30, which is New York's open. There's a little bit of a flurry then, but bear in mind, a lot of news events start at 1:30. So again, that time period can be a bit volatile. If you know the news is coming, avoid it altogether. Look at 2:30 for the open and let it run till 3 o'clock and then get in from there. And then again, the process starts again for the Australia and Asian markets, and they open at 11 o'clock and midnight, and the process starts again. So I hope that helps, and catch you all on the next one.